Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to change the video resolution of this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera and now select the settings, which should be on the right upper corner. And here we've got two options to choose from, two camera to customize. We've got the rear camera and selfie camera. So for example, let me pick rear camera and choose video size. Here we've got some options to choose from, and let me choose for example 4K. And that's all. As you can see, it has been changed. Let's go to the selfie camera and do the same. So click on the video size. And as you can see here, we've got less options to choose from. But let me pick, for example, HD. And it has been changed. And actually, that's all. This is what you have to do in order to record videos in chosen quality. This is how you change the video resolution in your Motorola Edge. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.